Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Head TS6 tennis racket, a game changer for players from beginner to intermediate levels. This racket is crafted with durable titanium and graphite fiber technology, ensuring it stands the test of time while providing a lightweight feel. With an oversized 115-inch head, it offers a larger sweet spot, perfect for those still mastering precision on the court. The head-heavy balance of this racket aids in stability and control, making it easier to hit the ball with confidence. Measuring 27.75 inches in length and weighing just 8.9 ounces, the Head TS6 is designed for comfort and performance. Its grip size of 4 1/8 inches ensures a snug fit, allowing for better handling during intense matches. Whether you're just starting out or looking to elevate your game, the Head TS6 tennis racket is engineered to enhance your playing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.